we guide you through how to set up use the best free VPN for Android. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Google Play Store and search for ProtonVPN. Download and install the app, then open it and tap Create Account. If you're new or log in, if you already have one, choose the free plan when prompted since offers unlimited data with access to select servers. Once inside the app, tap Quick Connect to automatically connect to the fastest available server or manually choose a country from the free server list for better control. After connecting, you'll see a K icon in your status bar confirming your VPN is active. Now, your internet traffic is encrypted and your IP address is hidden for better privacy and security. For settings, you can enable feature like always on VPN and kill switch to protect your data if connection drops.